Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. I just want to show you some of these videos that I talked about because the past 3 videos have played out really perfectly that I made for Dogecoin. So if you're new to the channel, I just want to make sure, or if you've been watching the channel, I just want to show you this thing so that I can teach you how to trade with my course. But before you say, oh, he's trying to sell his course, let me show you why you want to do that. So let's go back to this first video, and this was made in 11 days ago. So that was 11 days ago. I do remember very clearly saying that there are 2 resistance to break and then you're gonna go up.
Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome. Pattern right here. It's almost like you went, you have this curved bottom right there. You got volume, 2 key resistance right here, 6, 7 rejection there, and you could actually find another rejection than both. Or back test the 94, the 86, hold the 86, and then we're going to move up to 0.11. And that's
okay. So the resistance was broken, we went up and we got a little bit higher. The second video was posted 2 days ago here, and I told you that it's overbought, so be careful.
This move up sideways, probably when you're in the red market as well. There's downtrends at the moment. I'm just going to move down, make a redistribution. Daily time frame when you had this pattern right over here. So now keep in mind, I don't know if you've break anytime soon, because you can't even say that this can ascending neckline and the neck, like a very clear ascending left shoulder, the head here, and the right shoulder with an ascending neckline. And the next technical target we're looking for is to move from the top here to the bottom right there, and we could be looking at Dogecoin to correct down to 0.095. Now that's gonna be
Alright, so we met the technical target here, and you can see yesterday, that's the videos that I posted 23 hours ago. We came down to 90, the technical target.
It doesn't seem like that's the end of Dogecoin just yet. You even never went up for the retest. It seems like Bitcoin was sold, and then Dogecoin had to go for the big down there. So at the moment, you are about to make 3 red candles back to back, which are known as 3 black crows. And if you try to make another bear flag right over there for Dogecoin, then you could actually look for Dogecoin to go all the way down from there to there, and we might be looking to continue to drop to 8161. That's not like they back tested 86. So I do expect Dogecoin to still drop down to 86 and potentially even 81 as well.
So that was pretty much it, and this is why I still have a lot of people's attention. And yeah, we did that. We came down, we made the retest, case is closed. That's your trading course right there. If you want to message me on Twitter, do message me to buy on Twitter, AdamCoins_, and you can get a discount for paying with cryptocurrency. Now, Dogecoin, where do we go from here again? So at the moment, you are holding the support right now, which is pretty cool. So I don't think, you're oversold right now. If I bring in the RSI, you can see that you're on the lowest part of the RSI, really oversold at the moment. And that sounds almost like a nice good buying idea once again, because you can see historically on the RSI, you've always come down to that lowest part of it, and it has always been proven to be really good to buy Dogecoin at this point of time. But considering how Bitcoin is looking like, because right now Dogecoin on itself is looking amazing, maybe there could be a little bit of relief to pump back to the upside. But the problem is Bitcoin, okay? If Dogecoin is going to follow Bitcoin, because I'm expecting Bitcoin to do the following. So I'm not going to talk about Dogecoin, because if anything happens, everything loves to mirror what Bitcoin does. So if Bitcoin makes this flag here and pops out of it, so you'll expect Bitcoin to continue lower from there to there, and we might be looking at Bitcoin to come down to $15,800. And I've talked about this one in the channel in detail, and that's exactly what I'm afraid of Dogecoin. So right now, what I can say, if someone is in trade or wants to trade, I think putting in a stop loss down at 7726 is a good idea, because this is a buying idea. This is a good buying level, because that's a support. You're holding support, you're bouncing off support. Pretty great. You can actually have a little bit of move to the upside, but there are no patterns anymore. The patterns that actually had to play out was this one, and it has already played out. It went down, up, down, W double bottom, went up, came down. There's no any other pattern left, and Bitcoin is also looking bad. So be careful. I'm not going to buy anything at the moment for Dogecoin, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.